The industry just now is quite an exciting place to be. I think it's important we still focus on apprenticeships and people. This industry is important, food's important. It's a great career path for all young men and women to consider.
I work at GCU as a food science technician, so I actually am involved in the daily setup and delivery of food science teaching.
My day-to-day role, build all the machines, put them in place. Obviously it depends what product they're doing that day. And then from then on it's basically pre-planned maintenance, and then in between all that you've got to do breakdown cover as well, so any things that happen during the day, you obviously reactive maintenance and you've got to fix them.
Actually, I didn't know how big Scotland's food production and food industry was. Food is a hugely diverse and massive subject, so you could really go in many directions.
What's going to be the next sources of food for humanity, for the world? And then I came up with the 21 days challenge to swap protein intake from the meat and fish to edible insects. So what I did was a urine test at the end of every week, just to check if I had any glucose or protein, ketones. Nothing changed. I was absolutely healthy, absolutely in a happy mood.
There are so many weird and wonderful and diverse areas that you can work in the food industry. Research and PhDs in technical departments, maintaining food safety, new product development, so working to develop new products.
During my apprenticeship I've learned a lot of different skills. I've been sent on a few different courses relevant to the food industry. One would be like Legionella water testing. There's a lot of different skills that we need to learn, such as like welding or testing, stuff like that for electricity.
The industry needs to be in good hands. I'm actually very encouraged that there is a bright future for baking and for food in particular. Listen, the future is good.
Just like food itself, it is quite limitless in terms of what you could do.